this is the activity. We're gonna answer a lot of questions basically. That because we are learning how to answer questions. Even if you can, even if you feel like this is very simple, oh I know how to do it. Here's the catch. If the brick is not very solid, the whole bridge can collapse. Doesn't matter how good quality the cement was. It wouldn't matter. The brick has to be really, really strong to be able to hold the bridge. You understand? You get my point? So we're gonna make our bricks very, very strong first before we learn how to, make the right cement. So before we even talk about cement, we're gonna make the bricks very, very strong. How do we do that? So bricks are answers, which means we're gonna make our answers very, very strong. And how do we do that? So the activity works in this way. You're gonna have one question at one time. For example, here, this is the activity. How do you enjoy your afternoon when the weather is good? This is the activity. Now you're going to answer this question. For example, let me try to answer it, and you're going to record it. All the activities you have to record, my friend. Okay. How do you enjoy your afternoon when the weather is good? So when the weather is good, because I live in North Delhi, I come from Hindu culture. What I've learned from my parents, I'm also Punjabi. I really like to eat a lot. When I say weather is good, let's say I'm imagining that it's probably raining outside. That's what I feel like when I say the weather is good. It's pleasant, it's a good rainy weather, kind of not too much rain, not too heavy rain, but just the pleasant weather. Because in Delhi, it's always like summers, heat, and we're just turning summers. This is how you're gonna sound like when you try to answer it the first time. So which means when I answered it, it's not that good of an answer. I'm trying to collect thoughts. I'm trying to collect my chunks as I speak. Now watch this. When I'm going to answer this question for the second time, see what happens. I'm gonna reset the recorder and I'm gonna record again. But you have to send all the recordings. Okay, the first attempt, the second attempt, the third attempt, the fourth attempt. So basically, you have to answer these questions 4 to 5 different times. The more times you practice, the better your answer is going to become, and the better the brick is going to become, the better overall fluency is going to become. You'll see this now. I'll try to answer the same question again. So how do you enjoy your afternoon when the weather is good? Oh, I generally, when you say the weather is good, I'm going to take it like that there is rain outside, and since I'm from North Delhi, I really love, and I'm also Punjabi, I love eating. So when the weather is good, we make sure that we make a lot of pakoras at home, and with the ketchup, with the chutneys, we love eating pakoras. I'm gonna stop it now. It was a very short sentence. You can give a long sentence if you want to, it's fine. But did you see the difference in the first time and the second time? The first time I was having to think, but when I repeated my answer the second time, now I know what I have to say. I've already said 10 different things in the first attempt. Second time, it was much, much, much better. It was already 2 to 3 times better. But now watch it again when I do it the third time now. Same question. Hey, how do you enjoy your afternoon when the weather is good? How to enjoy my afternoon? So let me tell you a quick secret, a story about myself. First of all, see, I am from North Delhi and I'm also Punjabi. We love to eat. I love to eat a lot. I have to take care of my health as well, but we love eating a lot. So especially when we say the weather is good, I'm considering that it's raining outside because it's generally very hot here. It's very humid. So if it's raining, we love to make pakoras. We love eating pakoras with some tea, with some chai, we love that. Did you see now? Did you feel the difference in the third attempt? I haven't even tried the fourth attempt yet. But what do you think is going to happen in the fourth attempt? Every time when I'm practicing again and again and again, answering the same question again and again and again, my expressions are getting better, my words are getting better, my delivery is getting better. I'm getting confident and confident and confident. Even though I've been speaking for the last 10 years, but still, whenever I do this, it makes me super confident on that specific question. Now, I am not a beginner, or like I consider myself enough advanced speaker. How is it going to help you? That is what you need to understand. So the idea is you have to practice. You're gonna have a lot of questions here, but you have to answer every question 3 to 4 times, and you have to send me these questions every attempt. You have to send me the same question. When you're answering 3 times, you have to send me 3 different recordings, and you can do it this way. For example, if I put my name here for this activity, answer questions, you can just name the question as 1, right? For example, you sent it. When you do it again, next lesson, previous lesson, guys, recorder went away. Now when I do it the second time, I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna do it like this. Now just to help me understand that it's the same question with another attempt, just put 1 here again, or you can do 2 here. You can do it in whatever way, but the idea is when you will record, you have to say the question as well, and then you have to say the answer as well. So always make sure that you're reading the question first, even in the recorder. It does not matter, because when I will listen to the recordings, I have no way to check what question question you're answering. Okay, so make sure you say the question first. Cool, got it. That's the activity you have to do. And see, it's actually mentioned here how many you have to do. You have to do 200 questions. So these are exactly 200 questions. You have to answer all of them. Just keep going. This will take 1 week, 2 weeks, I don't know. Even if this activity takes 2 weeks of your time, spend it. Every day you have to do 3 to 4 questions or 3 to 5 questions, and every question has to be attempted at least 4 different times. That's the activity, and we have to do it. If you don't do it, if you just jump on to the next one, then you will not learn. Then that just means you're trying to be too lazy, too casual with the attitude. I will not be able to help you in that matter. You will not get the results you want. I have many people who have done this activity. When they start doing the activities from first attempt to the fourth attempt, they start seeing the results just like you saw. So time to go to the activity now.